If one of these body washes is sitting in your shower right now, stop using it before tomorrow morning. One has been sold to families for over 20 years. One dominates Amazon's bestseller list every single month. And one is labeled sensitive, while scoring barely 5 out of 10 on safety. That squeaky clean feeling after your shower? That's not cleanliness. That's your skin barrier being torn apart. 7 body washes. 7 ingredient lists. And the red flags get harder to ignore with every single one. The 4 body washes dermatologists actually trust are coming at the end. One costs less than $8. Let's start with the one that's been in your bathroom your entire life. The truth the body wash industry doesn't want you to know. Here's the thing your body wash brand is terrified you'll find out. A real study published on PubMed tested what happens when one common sulfate, the main cleaner in most drugstore body washes, touches human skin for just 24 hours. The damage lasted 7 full days. The chemical was still sitting in your skin tissue a week later. One shower, 7 days of damage. And if you shower every day, which most people do, your skin never gets a break. It's damage stacked on damage. And the only thing you notice is that your skin feels dry, itchy, and angry. You blame the weather, you blame your diet. You buy more moisturizer. But the problem is in the bottle you're reaching for every morning. But sulfates? Honestly, they're the least terrifying part. The real problem is that word right there. Fragrance. That single word is a legal loophole. Under US law, fragrance is classified as a trade secret. Companies can hide up to 14 different chemicals behind that one word, and they don't have to tell you what they are. Scientific American found that the average fragrance product contains chemicals tied to hormone disruption, allergies, and long-term toxicity. 14 chemicals. 0 labels. 100% legal. Your skin is thinner and more absorbent than you think. Every irritant you put on it penetrates faster and deeper than you realize. And when you're lathering a fragrance-heavy body wash over your entire body every single day for months or years, that's not a small exposure. That's constant bombardment. Now you know what to look for. Let's talk about who's doing it. 7 body washes. Starting now. Number 7, Dial body wash. We're starting with the one that feels the safest. Dial has been an American household name for over 75 years. It's the soap your parents used, the one in every gym locker room, the one you grab without thinking because it just feels trustworthy. You've probably had this in your shower your entire life. Your parents used it. You use it. And that's exactly why this one hurts. Because trust doesn't mean safe. The main cleaner inside Dial is sodium lauryl sulfate, the same sulfate from that PubMed study. The one that leaves your skin damaged for 7 days from a single use. But here's what makes Dial worse than just the sulfate. That word. Fragrance. Hiding up to 14 secret chemicals, including hormone disruptors, that you have no idea you're putting on your body. The law doesn't require them to tell you. You don't get a choice. Dial scored a 2 out of 10 on the Environmental Working Group's Skin Deep Safety database. That's 1 point above the worst product they track. Every time you use Dial, you're stripping your skin barrier for a week while unknowingly exposing yourself to a secret cocktail of chemicals your own government won't force companies to label. That clean feeling? That's not cleanliness. That's your skin screaming that something is wrong. And you've been calling it results. The next one isn't hiding behind 75 years of brand history. It's hiding behind a $2 price tag. Number 6, SUAVE body wash. You're not stupid for using SUAVE. It's cheap. It's the $2 bottle everyone grabs when they're trying to stretch their budget. And the marketing makes it look like a perfectly reasonable choice. But cheap comes at a cost. And your skin is paying it. The main cleaner in SUAVE is an ethoxylated sulfate. That word, ethoxylated, is the red flag. Ethoxylation is a manufacturing process. And it creates a byproduct called 1,4-dioxane. That's not an ingredient. It's a contaminant. And it never shows up on the label. The National Toxicology Program classified 1,4-dioxane as a reasonably anticipated human carcinogen. The EPA confirmed in late 2024 that it poses real health risks. New York already capped allowable levels, with full enforcement by the end of 2025. And it's not on the label. You'd never know it's there. SUAVE also loads the formula with artificial dyes, blue 1, yellow 5, that do nothing for your skin except make the gel look colorful in the bottle. Dermatology studies link synthetic dyes to allergic reactions and chronic irritation. You save $2 on the bottle now, but you'll spend $50 later on moisturizers, prescription creams, and dermatologist visits trying to fix what it broke. The math never works. SUAVE markets itself as budget-friendly. The next brand charges you premium prices for the exact same problems and wraps them in plastic beads they tell you are natural. Number 5. Soft Soap Body Wash with Coconut Butter Scrub. Soft Soap Coconut Butter Scrub sounds natural. The name says coconut. The label says scrub. The marketing says smooth, healthy skin. The ingredient list says polyethylene. Those scrub beads aren't coconut, they're plastic. The same plastic used in the microbeads that Congress tried to ban with the Microbead Free Waters Act in 2015. Some products still use polyethylene-based exfoliants that skirt the regulation with slightly different compound names. And here's where it gets worse. Those plastic particles wash off your skin, flow down the drain, slip through water filters, and end up in rivers and oceans. Fish eat them thinking they're food. The plastics climb the food chain. Studies have found microplastics in human blood, in lung tissue, in skin samples. They're not just in the water anymore, they're in us. And the base formula behind those beads? Still packed with the same sulfates and synthetic fragrances that destroy your moisture barrier every time you shower. One product, 3 disasters: your skin, the water, and the food chain. The next one built an entire brand identity around looking healthy. The ingredient list never got the memo. Number 4, EOS Body Wash, Fresh Yield. You know this brand instantly. Those round sphere bottles, the fresh scent, the celebrity endorsements, the influencer unboxings. EOS turned a bottle shape into a cultural status symbol, and now it's in half the bathrooms in America. But the ingredients never showed up to the party. The front of the bottle screams fruit extract, vitamin C, fresh yield. The back reads like a chemistry lab. Sulfate-based cleanser. Fragrance. Synthetic preservatives. Conditioning agents that do nothing for your skin. Here's the real issue with daily use. Fragrance is the single ingredient dermatologists tell patients to cut out first when dealing with constant skin irritation. Not second on the list. First, because when you're lathering it over hundreds of square inches of skin every single day for months or years, that's not a small exposure. That's your skin being bombarded with a hidden chemical cocktail on a daily basis. The marketing talks about vitamin C and fresh ingredients. The ingredient list tells a completely different story. Celebrity hype turned EOS into a cultural staple. The brand exploded from those endorsements. But the ingredient list was never part of the promotion. If you've been using EOS for months and your skin is still dry, itchy, or breaking out, the fragrance inside might be the exact reason nothing's getting better. The next body wash doesn't hide behind fruit extracts. It hides behind attitude. Number 3, Axe Body Wash, Dream. Axe is the body wash people grab when they want to feel sharp, confident, ready. The whole brand is built on swagger, and it works. Axe is one of the most recognized body wash brands in the world. But that aggressive smell is the trap. Sodium lauryl sulfate as the main cleaner. The same barrier-destroying sulfate that damages your skin for a full week. Packed with fragrance, that hidden mix of up to 14 chemicals that brands don't have to show you. And artificial dyes, the bold blues and greens that make the gel look intense in photos, that do nothing for your skin except trigger allergic reactions and chronic irritation. Here's the brutal truth. You wash with Axe to feel confident. But the same ingredients giving you that fresh feeling are tearing down your moisture barrier, leaving your skin dry, itchy, and covered in bumps. Your skin is sending you warning signals every single day, and you've been calling it clean. The next brand sells you something even more dangerous than swagger. It sells you the idea that scrubbing harder means healthier skin. That promise is exactly what makes it so destructive. Number 2, St. Ives Body Wash with Apricot Scrub. St. Ives Apricot Scrub is the body wash people reach for when their skin feels rough, bumpy, and out of control. You've got texture, you've got uneven patches, and St. Ives promises to exfoliate and smooth with natural apricot scrub beads. But those beads aren't apricot, they're plastic. Polyethylene, the same plastic compound used in banned microbeds. And the base formula behind them is sulfate heavy, the same barrier-destroying cleaner that leaves your skin damaged for 7 days, combined with fragrance-hiding 14 secret chemicals. And here's the practical reality of what happens when you use this. When you rub a product with physical plastic scrub beads into already irritated skin, you're not smoothing it. You're sandpapering an open wound. Every pass of those beads is dragging plastic particles across inflamed tissue. For someone with sensitive or reactive skin, that physical abrasion isn't a small irritant, it's a major one. And the cruelest part? The more irritated your skin gets, the more you reach for the scrub, because your skin feels rough and you think you need to exfoliate harder. The product creates the very problem it promises to solve. The word scrub on the label makes you trust it the most. And that trust is exactly what the formula uses against you. This is the one, the last villain, the one that's been waiting for you all the way through this video. And it's the one you probably thought was the safest choice of all. Number 1, Dove Body Wash, Sensitive and Mild. Dove Sensitive Mild Body Wash. The one you grab when your skin is already irritated. The one you switch to when everything else has failed. The one that says gentle and mild right on the front, so you assume it's the safe choice. Inside that bottle, sodium lauryl sulfate as the main cleaner. Fragrance hiding in the formula. Synthetic preservatives linked to allergic skin reactions. 3 ingredients dermatologists say to avoid, all in one product labeled sensitive. Dove scored a 5.0 out of 10 on EWG's safety database. Stop and think about that. The most trusted body wash brand in America, the one with sensitive printed on the front, still only a 5 out of 10 on safety. That's not good. That's barely passing. But here's what makes Dove the most dangerous entry on this list, and why it's sitting at number 1. It's not just the ingredients. It's the cycle they create. Your skin feels dry. You reach for Dove because the label says gentle. The sulfate strips your moisture barrier. The fragrance irritates your skin. You step out of the shower and feel okay for about 4 hours. Then your skin is worse than before. The irritants made your skin lose moisture faster, while the formula temporarily held it together. You grab moisturizer, you feel better. You shower again tomorrow with the same bottle, and you never connect the dots, because the moisturizer makes you feel better in the moment. Because the label says sensitive. Because you've been using it for years and it never occurred to you that the product designed to help you is the one causing the problem. That cycle, dry skin, Dove, temporary relief, worse skin, more moisturizer, that's not bad luck. That's the formula working exactly as it's designed. If this bottle is in your shower right now, this is the one to throw out first. So if Dove, the brand literally called sensitive and mild, can't be trusted, what can? That's exactly what I'm going to show you right now. 4 body washes, no sulfates, no hidden fragrance, no plastic beads, just formulas that actually do what they claim, and the dermatologists who back them up. Recommended number 1, CERAVE Hydrating Body Wash. Start with the one that's easiest to find and hardest to mess up. CERAVE Hydrating Body Wash doesn't try to be fancy. No glitter, no exotic fruit extracts, no scent that hits you before you open the cap. It just cleans without wrecking your skin. The main cleaner is gentle, no sulfates. Instead, the formula is built around ceramides. Your skin is literally made of ceramides. They're the building blocks of your moisture barrier. When your skin gets dry or damaged, it's losing ceramides. CERAVE puts them back in while it cleans. It also contains hyaluronic acid, which pulls water into your skin, and glycerin, one of the most proven ingredients for locking moisture where it belongs. No fragrance, no sulfates, no parabens. The National Eczema Association gives it their seal because it's safe for people with the most reactive skin. Most people with chronically dry or irritated skin see real improvement within 2 to 3 weeks of switching. Not because it's magic, because it's just ingredients that do what they're supposed to do. But if your skin isn't just dry, if it's already damaged, cracked, or inflamed, CERAVE might not be enough on its own. That's where this next one comes in. Recommended number 2, VANICREAM Gentle Body Wash. VANICREAM Gentle Body Wash is for skin that's been through it. If your skin is red, inflamed, cracking, or bleeding from irritation, this is the one dermatologists actually send patients to. Not because of marketing, because they use it on people with serious skin conditions, and it works. The formula is built on coconut-derived cleansing agents, gentle enough for damaged skin. No sulfates, no fragrance, no synthetic additives. On top of that, it contains panthenol, vitamin B5, which accelerates skin repair, and bisabolol, derived from chamomile, which quietly reduces inflammation without any burning or tingling sensation. A clinical study in 2024 tested this exact combination on people with moderate skin irritation. Most participants showed measurable improvement by week 2, not month 2. Week 2, compare that to people who've been using sulfate body washes for months and still haven't healed. The difference is the ingredients. One critical warning: VANICREAM makes 2 body wash products. The gentle body wash is the one you want. The foaming body wash contains sulfates. Same brand, completely different formula. Read the label before you buy. The next one is for people who want something plant-based, clean, and sustainable, without paying luxury prices. Recommended number 3, Dr. Bronner's PURE-CASTILE Liquid Soap, unscented. Dr. Bronner's Unscented is what dermatologists recommend for people who want genuinely clean ingredients and sustainable packaging. This isn't a trendy clean beauty brand. It's been around for decades. The formula is simple: organic coconut oil and olive oil. No sulfates, no synthetic fragrances, no artificial colors. Just plant oils that clean without stripping your skin. Biodegradable, recyclable packaging, certified organic ingredients. But you need the unscented version. Dr. Bronner's comes in lavender, almond, citrus, and other scents. Those use natural fragrances, but natural fragrance can still irritate sensitive skin. The unscented version removes that risk entirely. One thing to know: Castile soap feels different from most drugstore body washes. It might leave your skin feeling slightly different after rinsing. That's normal. It's not broken. It's just how plant-based cleansing works. For people with eczema, psoriasis, or extremely sensitive skin, that trade-off is absolutely worth it. Your moisture barrier stays intact, your skin doesn't get stripped, and you're not exposing yourself to hidden fragrance chemicals. The 4th recommendation is a bonus, and it solves a problem most people don't even realize they have. Recommended number 4, ELTAMD UV Sensible Body Lotion SPF 50 with zinc oxide. This one is a bonus, and it's important. You need sun protection on your body. Every dermatologist agrees. Unprotected skin gets damaged by UV rays, and skin cancer is real. But most body sunscreens use chemical filters, oxybenzone, octinoxate, that absorb directly into your bloodstream. The FDA has flagged both for safety concerns. ELTAMD UV Sensible Body Lotion SPF 50 uses only zinc oxide, 7.5% of it. That's the only active ingredient. No chemical filters, no oxybenzone, no octinoxate. Zinc oxide sits on top of your skin and physically blocks UV rays. It doesn't absorb, it doesn't enter your bloodstream. It has decades of safety data with 0 systemic concerns. The FDA recognizes zinc oxide as generally safe and effective for sunscreen use. Fragrance-free. Non-comedogenic, so it won't clog your pores. Gentle enough for sensitive, post-surgery, or already irritated skin. There might be a very slight white tint when you first apply it. That's normal for mineral SPF. It fades within a minute or 2. Within moments, it looks completely natural. This is the SPF product that lets you protect your skin without exposing yourself to the chemicals your dermatologist told you to avoid. Before you grab any body wash at the store, flip the bottle over. Scan the ingredient list. You're looking for these names: sodium lauryl sulfate, sodium lauryl sulfate, fragrance, parfum, oxybenzone, octinoxate, artificial dyes, parabens. See any of those? Put it back. Walk away. That's the entire test. You don't need a science degree. You just need 30 seconds and the willingness to look at what you're about to put on your body every single day. Here's the truth nobody in the body wash industry wants you to hear. That stripped, squeaky clean feeling that every body wash brand promises? That's the exact feeling that's keeping your skin dry, cracked, and broken out. The body washes that actually work don't leave your skin feeling raw. They don't smell like anything intense. They just clean gently and let your skin repair itself. Most people start seeing real change within 2 weeks of switching. Not because the good products are slow, because your skin needs time to heal from what the bad products did to it. It's not your skin, it's the bottle in your hand. Drop a comment below right now. Which one of these 7 was in your shower this morning? I want to know. And here's something I didn't tell you at the start of this video. Everything I just showed you about your body wash, the same thing is happening to your scalp. Right now, with the shampoo you used this morning. I tested 7 of the most popular shampoos in America, and what I found was worse than anything on this list. 3 of them are named in active hair loss lawsuits. One of them is the #1 best-selling shampoo on Amazon. Watch that video next. Because fixing your body wash and keeping the wrong shampoo is like patching one hole in a sinking boat.